This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Depo headlights. First, locate the adjustment screws on your headlight assemblies. You'll typically find one for vertical and one for horizontal aim. Park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. This setup provides the ideal environment for precise headlight aiming. Now, let's tackle vertical adjustment. The vertical screw often sits on top or the side of the headlight housing. Turning it clockwise will raise the beam, while a counterclockwise turn will lower it. Adjust each headlight individually until the top edge of the brightest part of the beam aligns with your target height. Next, we'll adjust the horizontal aim. The horizontal adjustment screw is typically found on the side of the headlight assembly. Turning this screw will shift the beam either left or right. Aim to center the beam directly in front of your vehicle, ensuring it doesn't stray too far towards the center or the roadside. After making your adjustments, step back and observe the overall beam pattern from both headlights. They should be symmetrical and provide clear, even illumination. Take your vehicle for a short drive on a dark road to confirm the aiming is effective and safe. Make any final, small tweaks for perfect visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.